making a fun and simple recipe called stained glass sugar cookies. Let's go. So for the ingredients we're going to be needing 1.5 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of sugar, 1 egg, half a cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Later on we're going to be using some hard crushed candies and some cutters. We're going to be using we need some big cutters and small cutters so we can cut inside. Then we're going to be using a baking sheet with butter. So now we're going to be creaming the sugar and butter. Add the sugar for 2 minutes until it's nice and we're gonna now that we've creamed our egg and sugar, we're gonna add the egg and vanilla. Now we're gonna add in our vanilla. We're going to scrape always our bowl, then continue mixing. Now that the wet ingredients are well combined, we're going to add the flour, but don't over mix. Just mix until you can't see any more flour. And I'll come back to you when it's done. Now that we've mixed it and it's became a soft dough, we're going to put it in a plastic bag in the fridge 1 hour, or you can put it overnight, and I'll see you when it's done. Now that we've let the dough sit in the fridge for 1 hour, we're going to roll it out and shape it, and then we're going to put it in the fridge for 20 minutes. So I'm going to get it out. As you can see, I covered the surface with flour. And I'm going to roll it. And I'll see you when I'm done. Now that we rolled out the dough, we're going to cut out the shapes. And then we're going to use the smaller one inside. And I'll come back to you later. Now that we've cut out the shapes, we're going to put it in the fridge. Okay guys, so now that the cookies have been sitting in the fridge for about 20 minutes, we're gonna put the hard candies inside of them. Then we're gonna put the cookies inside the oven for 10 minutes. And I'll see you when it's done. Okay guys, so here's the final result. Look, it's like a window. It's very clear and nice. It just melted and it turned out like that. And we put it in the oven for 350 and 10 minutes. Please try this recipe because it's really good. Tell me what you think in the comments down below. If you didn't check my latest video, go check it out. It's the gingerbread. And if you didn't subscribe, go ahead and subscribe right here. And see you next time. Bye.